I wish I'm more about the Ala Media Ghana, and Eddie can remember so best subscribe, like and I'll comment no at to her at the Amaya. Na and chair on the 3rd of July 2025, a Thursday, and our cross circuit court 10. Mamia Otinemu, and as a judge, Otinemu, a sentence in an Agradaa, a man 15 years jail, no, and ne lawyers, Edomania Chim, or Amasamai. High Court Senka omoko fine bill ediamano cause omoko fine appeal High Court intino onko mani bill no metine fi nanka ontumi nko court de ni nyina no ene court na ne nsem so ama saman High Court no court abo ensem no atoagu ema ensem de go nyina no court hwehwem no se ontumi mani bill into wo se wo twinimu na emra wo kopie wo ama saman High Court no ensem bebre enesiye tama ye de ni firi ho no mo ba no na Agradaa ya chekere no che say cameras ne try say at least ngebenya Agradaa video kakra a nanim da ho bet na ya chekere ni ti white with white cloth ashen nose mask che say enya de a obi atimi hu ye yenko hwe time a ne ye de ni firi court ho no abehye eye car ni mu esan de na ko back to ensanwa mu no na nkofo bebre nso kire wona adwen wo ho American for Security and Tech Solution Service Enfamount. So you could be wesi a factory and as a company now per se security yet tie so per fence wall. Say ye electrify or fence no Enfamount. Now I say ye mo a CCTV cameras. I be try when na solar panels a bell say light crack offer. Wo honum en dumna light bait na 24/7. American for Security and Tech Solution Service the amount from na eno any juma from 0244 571 977 and 020 670 9117.
What happened today at Amasaman High Court?
Oh, we wanted bail pending the appeal.
Okay.
And the court did not grant it. Okay. That's all I can say for now. But we still pursue our interest. That's all. Thank you.
Awuzama kwa abadiba Ala Media Ghana na video yi beto abonte beto internet ne so on X nkofo bebre akye wona adwen wo ho se wa ya de na Agradaa ya chechiri nani na jese yempesi yebe hu no enti obi de ba wa say but they said she is not even at nsawam but enya no kre o nsawam prison officer bi eye hu interview say Agradaa ewo nsawam. So na my top finding was she may not be the one. Why cover her face? Ghanaians know her. Is she truly in jail? Honestly, the question honestly Abisa no. Hey, Agradaa power we make looks like that. Hey, Agradaa no hold the woman Gaddafi. No co pressure, no co fine. And why lose? Why am I? Say, do you think she deserves a bail? Honestly, no question Abisa. I was here money bill na what the court aka and stanza ya diaboni nyina no I was say your man bill and Eric Boatin say she turned dark. Hey Eric Boatin we dey hu so what any dark ni be yan hu nanim we dey gas what any dark enti we ni nsem a enkofo rezi say Agradaa ya chechiri nanim ne de ebi mu feel say enye wono a e be brin so say eye wono anti no ye course na fast forward ene President John Dramani Mahama the letter bi abeto abonten fa eye na pointisa na omono cars omu use no ye to fuel de mo omo no de ko baabi ompeso mu ko bia de ba no ene president release letter to abonten say sa na mani nyina no ene ye twam enti se wo ye government appointee our car will use no or minor and to fuel and from beam one casa and abewadi. Fast forward, new run in the letter Emra. President Mahama's fuel allowances and allocation to appointees. This is the letter. President John Dramani Mahama has immediately directed the cancellation of payment of fuel allowances and allocation of fuel to all political appointees. The directive form part of a broader curb in government expenditure aimed at cutting costs and channeling public funds into priority areas. The president believed that leadership must also bear its part of the sacrifices it is calling on the people to make. The latest cost-cutting measure follows sweeping reduction in the size of government through the appointment of fewer ministers and presidential office staff. Other measures have included stopping satellite TV subscription for the offices at the presidency and other government facilities. Signed by Felix Ofosu Kwache, MP, spokesperson to the president, Minister Government Communication. The letter in your say, a year government appointees are ye too few dibu on Kermono, and then president say, if you near ko a take what that letter to an take effect in near, if you near kono, say, fuel like a dibu on cast moon, no more the aqua bonteno, and then we appointee one casa nabeto, and yet a bino and answer no mind a better beam. It also be a year DSTV subscription now. May I subscribe one office, one man lands commissioner or on office. Now was subscribe to DSTV no hair channel or panel. And then government say on just how can it be whopa one casa subscribe in a hoka. Internet the no. And say mean abato this year appointees who anything. We find cause President Yankasa. Or someone so mobua, Muslim sacrifice me because of mine Yaniska and no crown so Ghana Yaniska, Kaya Diasono, Intimintia, into your cobase, Debiani, a better fu a moment car mamma, a better harding, a better man, a better him, into Wedie, send ye Tibiano, meaning say, and shut down Queen Mamma, cause not more expected to be say. Nanswaba, into a benede was Musumusa. Government in any abre, so Babua, a more mine, baby a druno, and Yema, SCE. Higher Island Media Ghana. Memu adwenche comment section. Me ba making kind amount. American for security and tech solution service enfamount. So we dumaku bi wasi a factory and as a company now per se security yet tie so per fence wall. Say ye electrify or fence no enfamount. Na ye say ye ma a CCTV cameras. I be twa honum nyina na solar panels a beboa say light crack offer. Wo honum endum na light be gina 24/7 me can for security and tech solution service the amount from na enu eni adwuma from 0244 571 977 and 020 670 9117.